Hello everyone. Okay, so this just arrived and I'm really excited. So this is Monsta X fancon 2022 fancon agent stuff. And as you can see, I brought the Minhug slippers. I'm going to do the slippers first because they're so big. And I got the smaller size. They said were an option, but these aren't going to fit me. How do I open you? Is it over here somewhere? You just pull it. Oh, I can pull it. Okay. I'm a bit sick still. Well, I've been sick lately. Is there anything else in this bag of slippers? No, but look! Isn't it meant to be... Oh, it's here. I knew there was stuff in it. Oh, I'll show that in a second. But we got some slippers. Yeah, these are going to be way too big for me. Oh, look, the whale takes you. Anyway, so I got the slippers. Look how pretty they are. Okay, so I got the slippers, as I said like 50,000 times already. These are the credit cards that come with the slippers. So I think you get an ID card. So you get a little ID card, Minhug. Pretty. And then, oh, Minhug. Oh no, he's a bit damaged. How annoying. I guess like what protection could honestly happen when it's just shoved in a slipper all the way from Korea to Australia. But that's okay. I have it. We're just got to ignore that. I have no plans of selling my collection soon. It's only the back. Right. So we should be good. We should be okay. I'll cry about it later when I'm like packing the photo cards away. Okay. Go in. What are you doing? Now, I didn't buy everything that I wanted, sadly, but I got what I could. This is the photo card tin. Oh, I hate ripping stickers. Okay. Oh, wait. How do I get you out? I don't want to bend it. Oh, it's still not coming out. Got it. Come on. No. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, that was loud. So I'll put you there. Some in that. Okay, so we got some of these, which are just like sleevey thingies. Like decorative things. Oh, that's upside down. That one. We have this one. We have this one. But you can't see it well. Okay, photo cards. Should I just like... Okay, so the backs look like this on all of them. Oh no. Okay. Flip. Okay, so this is a unit card. And this would probably be... Ooh. Here we go. I am Juhani. One. Oh, Kihan. And I'm Minhug. Okay, so I guess you meant to put these. Are these like meant to go over? Ooh. Minhug. What about this one? Ooh. Okay. So them. Now I think in my buying process I made a mistake because I brought 2 of the photo card sets when I wasn't meant to. I was meant to get another thing, but I panicked because last year fancon stuff sold out real quick and I was worried I didn't get it, but I don't think this time fancon sold out as quickly. So, oh, so tightly knit. So these are the backs. And we flip. Oh. No, they're so cute. Hang on. And Minhag. So that's all the stuff I brought from FanCon. I was going to get the photo album one, but I didn't. I'm just gonna make sure this is the same and that's not like two different sets, but I'm pretty sure these are exactly the same. And I was just stupid and I managed to add 2 in the cart. So I don't know if I should like sell one off. Are these the same? Yeah, these are the same. Okay. Or I keep these safely in its original package. Oh. Oh. Go back. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Oh, whatever. So, that was that. This is everything I got in these slippers. This is a little short video. I don't know if I'm going to hunt for the other FanCon photo cards that I didn't get, like the one in the photo book or not. But we'll see. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you will have a good day.
Like and then
Sorry.
subscribe and like, please. Bye bye.